What's going on, good people? Just doing some transitions today. So we're going to do designated target. So I'm at 12 yards. So, well, it's 12 yards to dead center. It's closer to 14, almost 15 to the two outside targets. So what I'm going to do is draw, put 2 on the center steel, just an A zone. After those 2, I'm going to transition on the first one. Maybe I'll go left to the target with the no shoot, back to the steel, all the way left, back to the steel, open target, back to the steel, and then transition over to the other with the no shoot, just rotating between targets, just working on getting the gun from point A to point B as efficiently as possible. Grab some ammo. All right, so I had a couple misses on that one. How's it going? So we'll go down and paste targets and see what our hits were like. All right, so let's see what we got. So we got 2 alpha. I just nicked the, I did break the perf. And that was a 994. 2 alpha here. These 2 are high. I was aiming a little up away from the no shoot. I did have a couple misses on steel. And we went Alpha Charlie here. One that was really close to the no shoot, and one that's me just breaking the shot a little bit early, not being visually patient, and had the trigger prep. But I didn't really wait till I saw what I need to see, and that's what you end up with. So that was our baseline for the first one, 994. So we'll keep shooting and see what we have. I might not stop after each one. I might just look at the targets and just see how the gun is feeling. Need more ammo. All right, one of the range officers just stopped me. Not because I was doing something wrong. He just came over to say hi. All right. So now that time we went center, inside, center, outside, center, inside, center, outside. So this time we'll go center, outside, center, inside, and we'll just keep switching it up. So center, outside, center, inside. All right. Stand by. Oh. Got a little fucked up because of my order. I wasn't sure. Got a little lost. That was 976, so about the same time. Actually, that would have been faster had I not had the hesitation. And 2 Alpha, 2 Charlie. Alpha. Oh, 2 Alpha. I didn't paste that one before. And Alpha, where'd the other one go? It didn't hit the no shoot, so we're gonna call that a Mike. All right, so let's paste those up. Trying to be more cognizant of what I'm doing with my pinky finger or my firing hand. Sometimes I'll add some unneeded tension, and when I do that, it causes the gun to dip, and I'll get those low hits, which is why I intentionally put the no shoots. I didn't want to have all open targets, which are pretty easy. So 2 Alpha, I think this one was 2 Charlie, yep. You know what, I called 2 Alpha, but there's 3 Alpha and 1 Charlie. I think last time it was 2 Alpha, so I'm gonna call that Alpha Charlie. And then the Mike. The disturbing part about this one is I didn't call that. There's no, maybe I dropped, oh, you know what? It's right there. I did drop one into the no shoot because that's the only hole that's facing the other direction. All right, so that makes sense. Also, I know I didn't miss the entire target. But like I was saying, sometimes I activate my pinky finger, which causes some of those low hits. So see if we can't work on that. Sure I have enough ammo. So far I'm averaging around 970 something. So this time we'll go steel inside, steel outside, steel inside, steel outside. Try to remember my order. Stand by. So that was 939, so that was definitely a little faster. Felt a little more deliberate in my shooting, which makes sense. 2 alpha. Really still thinking about that pinky finger. Trying not to fire the gun with my entire hand. Ooh, did I drop one into the no shoot? I'm not going to stand here too long and look for it. I don't know. I'm just going to call it Alpha Mike. I don't think I dropped one into the no shoot because that would be really low. I would have had to snatch it really hard. Maybe I pulled one off. I didn't call that though. That's no good. 2 alpha. And Alpha Charlie. If these two were Alpha Charlie, I'm aiming right here. So they're still a little bit low, so I need to make sure I'm really making sure I'm not adding anything with this pinky. Let's get some more ammo in here. Some partials. All right, so that time we went center inside, so this time center outside, center inside. Try to remember that. Center outside, center inside. Stand by. Shit. I think I snatched one maybe on that one. I felt myself start to drag off early. 913. So we're picking up the pace, which is what I want. Just take a look at our hits. Alpha Charlie, which I'm kind of fine with. I am aiming kind of right at the top of the perv, so anything plus or minus an inch or so. With that, I'm fine. This one, I am not. Alpha Charlie. This one is me activating my pinky finger and pushing the round down. I believe we got all our hits on steel. Ooh, Alpha no shoot. Alpha Mike no shoot. So this one, again, pushed the round down. So that's why we're here, and that's why I intentionally set that up. And this one, 2 Charlie, which it's got to be a little more disciplined on the way I'm interacting with the gun. There's an open target at that distance. There's no way I should have 2 Charlies. All right, let's keep grinding. My tail here is getting long. I put a new mag in, then after a while we'll have to consolidate some of these mags. All right, so now I'm gonna go inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, 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 inside. So center, outside, center, inside, center, inside. Interact with the gun. So I snatched one off the steel, 933. Yep, I felt myself pull off on this one. Alpha Mike. That's my no shoot from earlier. Alpha Delta. It's a really low delta. So that's the same thing. 2 Alpha. And Alpha Charlie. We'll run it again. I don't know why I keep dropping my mags today. Okay. I don't remember which way I went, so I'll go inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside. So now we're starting to get down in the 9.3s. Let's see if we can kind of leave a little sooner and get one 9.1. Stand by. I forgot my order, but we'll take it. So that was an 8.6. So much better as far as getting off the target. Let's see what our hits look like. May have pulled off on a couple because I felt myself kind of on the edge. So Charlie, I don't know if that's from earlier. It's either Charlie Mike or Charlie Mike no shoot. I'm not sure. Alpha Charlie. And I'll gladly eat some Charlies if that means I'm speeding up some. You're not going to work on accuracy and speed at the same time. But what I want to prevent is those low hits like that Charlie. That last one was Alpha Charlie, but the Charlie being low. So those Charlies are all centered up, so the gun is where it needs to be. I'm just pressing it down because I'm activating my pinky finger when I press the trigger. Essentially pressing the trigger with my whole hand. I think all those mags on the ground are partials. Oh, there's a full one. Okay. So that was an 860. So let's see if we can keep that 8-second tempo, but go in the right order. So let's try this again. Center, outside, center, outside, center, inside, center, inside. Stand by. Definitely shooting more aggressively. I'm sure that was an 8. Yep, 890. Hits may have suffered a bit. But as long as I don't have the low ones, I'm fine. 2 Charlie. First Charlie is pretty much where I'm aiming. Just about an inch high. The second one is left though. It's me getting on the gun a little bit early. Alpha Charlie. You can tell I can feel myself dragging a little bit, just trying to get off of the target as soon as the gun reacts, and I'm beating it. Just so I got to be a little more patient and not try to time it, instead of react to either the dot lifting or react to me pressing the trigger to the gun actually firing. So being a little more patient with my exits, but just being a little more aggressive with the transitions just took a shit ton of time off. So we gained about a second just doing that. Got some mags on the ground. I might have some more loaded mag. Oh, yeah, I did. Okay. So let me grab a few more mags. Got 5 more. We're loaded. We'll run these 5 mags and then we'll consolidate from what's on the ground. There's probably another mag full there, if not mag and a half. All right, so now we know we can do 8/6s. So let's clean up the pinky part. So now we'll go center inside, center inside, center outside, center outside. Stand by. Oh, I definitely felt I felt myself snatch one of those down. That was a 9/18. I definitely felt myself snatch one of those down. I wonder on some of those, was I ending back on the center one like I was supposed to? I might have been fucking the drill up. You'll know before me. So let's go and look at our hits, but I definitely could feel on a couple of those where I definitely snatched, especially here. Yep, and there it is. So that would have been an alpha mic no shoot. Other one, center punch alpha. 2 alpha. Target starting to turn. 2 alpha. And Alpha Charlie. Charlie was right outside. I just missed when I tried to paste it. Okay. Now I'm really curious, was I finishing on that last? I think I was finishing on the last target. I don't think I was finishing back on the steel like I'm supposed to. Let's make sure we're going that way going forward. All right, center inside left, center inside right, center outside left, center outside right. And we'll compare this time with the last to see if that last one was just a little slow, because 860, that means I was really moving. So if you take out the transition, the last 2 shots, I think that might make sense that I was skipping the last piece of steel. All right. Didn't feel like my ears were fully in. Stand by. That one felt the best out of all of them so far. That was an 896. See what our hits look like. So Alpha Charlie. My dispenser got stuck. There we go. Alpha Charlie. 2 alpha. Ooh, that didn't break the perf. So Charlie Mike no shoot. So I pushed the gun down on that one. And then Alpha Charlie. So I had one where I pressed it down. So it's slowly making progress, because in the other ones I had usually 2 or 3 where I was pressing the gun down. So let's just keep working on that. Being more cognizant of how I'm pressing the trigger. All right, so that was 890. Stand by. Few misses on steel. 963. These time variances, I need to look at the tape to see if I've been going back or not. So we have one where I pushed it down. Charlie Mike, no shoot. Two Alpha. Two Charlie. One of those Charlies was pretty much where I was aiming, just about an inch high, but the other one was not. This one's just left. A really close group, pretty much one pacer size. Gun is definitely starting to heat up. Might have to stop for a minute to let it cool down a little bit as I'm putting my thumb on the thumb rest. That shit is starting to burn my finger. All right, so let's run another one. Stand by. I know I had a high one there. I didn't wait for the dot to come back down. That was 894. I was expecting the dot to come down a little bit sooner. It did not. Alpha Mike, no shoot. Just pressing the gun down. Just like this low one down here, this Charlie. Alpha Charlie. Two Alpha. And Alpha Charlie. I keep telling myself to keep my conscious mind on the way I'm pressing the trigger. And then when the drill starts, I start thinking about my transitions. So on this, I'm going to try my best to keep I'm going to keep my mind, my conscious mind on the way that I'm pressing the trigger. Thought I had more mags. I do not. Okay. Stand by. That was an 826. I don't think I went back to the steel though. I think I'm forgetting that each time. So let's see what we got hit wise. This one I felt. Alpha Mike, no shoot. That was the last target. I got a little undisciplined on that one. Two Alpha. I think I had one miss on steel, I'm not sure. Two Alpha. And Alpha Delta. So this Delta is off to the left of the target. So that's me over swinging. Just coming in a little too hot. Not really just using my eyes and letting the gun follow. I'm trying to put too much physical input into it and I'm overshooting the target. I don't think I have a full mag. All of these are partial, so we'll put one together. So this will be probably my last run. I brought about 200 rounds, so I'm about through that now. Oh, you know what? I lied, I got another box of ammo in there. So I have another, I think, 50 in there. So after this, I might just do something different for the last 50. And then we'll call it a day. Just stuffing this mag so I could have enough to finish the drill. It's a 16 round drill, but I'm pretty sure on a lot of those I was not shooting 16. I think I was shooting 14. Got to remember to finish on the steel. All right. Isolate, 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 isolate. Stand by. That was 10-11. That was a lot slower. I think I snuck 2 alpha on this one. Yeah, I nicked the no shoot, but it didn't break the perf, so 2 alpha. Alpha Charlie. I think I had a miss on steel. 2 alpha. And Alpha Charlie. On that one, I could feel my grip starting to deteriorate the longer I was shooting, which is no bueno. I do want to shoot that one more time. I think what I'm going to do is load up this last 50, shoot it one more time, and then use those last, I don't know, maybe 40 rounds, whatever's left, to finish on something faster. Oh shit, I got another mag loaded already. So I'm just gonna consolidate these other mags, finish the drill, and then I'll use that whole 50 rounds for something else. That works. So I think because I'm getting low, what's that? 11, 12. Okay, so since I'm getting low, I'm not going to finish on the steel. So I'm going to intensely skip the steel at the end, just to cut the round count. And I think what I'm going to do too is go 1 round on steel. I knocked the steel down, so so I just kept the drill going, but steel came apart, so I need to put that back together. Let's walk down. One of those I got a no shoot. 3 Alpha Charlie. Steel blew apart. Good, I have all my hardware. 4 alpha and 2 alpha. I thought I tightened this before I started, but it does start to loosen up after a while. I think I'm just gonna hang it on the back. Call it a day. I'm only hitting it once anyway, so the follow-up shots don't matter. Alright, so I'm gonna move these targets around and do something different.